What's your name?
My name is Cat.
How old are you, Kat?
Uh, 10.
Good. Do you like to listen to music? Yes. So let's talk about music. Ready? Tell me, Kat, what musical instrument is this?
Mm, Piano.
It's
Piano
it's a piano. Uh-oh, what musical instrument is this?
is a guitar.
What about this?
Flute.
This one?
Tambourine.
Next one?
Drum.
And
Shaker.
now look at the picture and tell me, what does the teacher like to play?
Teacher like to play the piano.
What about Anna? What does Anna like to play?
And I like to play a drum.
What does he like to play?
He like to play drum.
What does he like to play?
Like to play guitar.
He likes to play the guitar. And you, Kat, what do you like to play?
I like to play the drum.
The drum. Okay. Who is this?
Benny.
Benny. Does Benny like to listen to slow music? Do you remember what does Benny say about slow music? How does slow music make Benny feel?
Feel sleepy.
Good. Slow music makes him feel sleepy. What about you? Do you like to listen to slow music? Do you like to listen to fast music? Yes. Do you like loud or quiet music?
Yeah. I like loud music.
Very good. Okay. Listen and draw the lines. Benny likes to play the shaker. Can you give the shaker to Benny? Good. Fifi likes to play the piano. Give the piano to Fifi. Good. And Prickly likes to play the tambourine. Give the tambourine to Prickly. Prickly. Is this Prickly? Yes. Good. Look at these musical instruments and tell me, what is it?
A trumpet.
Good. What is this?
Violin.
What is this?
Flute.
And begins with letter P.
Piano.
Very good. Now we are going to listen to music and you tell me what happens to the music. Does it get louder, quieter, faster, or slower? Are you ready? Listen to the music.
Listen and say what happens to the music. 1,
What happens to the music?
Loud.
Good. The music.
Is louder.
Very good. Next one.
2,
What happens to the music?
Slow.
Good. Can you make a sentence? What happens to the music? The music.
The music gets lower.
Very good. Okay. What is this?
Piano.
What is this?
Violin.
And what is this?
Tambourine.
Tambourine or trumpet?
Trumpet.
Good. What does the girl say? Can you read?
I like to play my shaker fast.
Good. And what does the boy say?
I like to sing and play my shaker.
Very good. Bye bye, cat. See you.